Hi, this is Manny from Rims Like New. Welcome all of you to this third video in a series of videos that are informational to help you as a customer be able to make good decisions about rim repair and the different possibilities that there are for your rims. Right here we're looking at two rims that were repaired cosmetically. Both of them had curb rash. This black one here had some curb rash, and it was repaired with paint and clear coat, and it was done only in one small section. The curb rash only extended about 3 inches, and it was repaired that way. If you notice very carefully, you really can't tell what spot was repaired, and we call this a patch repair. These type of repairs are the cheapest repairs that we do, and basically we're just using paint and clear coat to blend in a repair into the existing surface of the rim. So the rim generally, as it comes from the factory, is powder coated, so just a small section of it becomes painted in clear coat, leaving the integrity of most of the rim still intact in terms of the powder coat. Powder coat is a better product, it's harder, it's more durable, and truthfully that is the way a rim should be repaired if you're planning to do an extensive repair on a rim. Anyway, just for your knowledge, the part of the rim that was repaired was right here. This is where the curb rash was. And as you look closer, you can see that the quality of the repair is good, and you can't really distinguish where the new repair is and the old rim surface was. Now next to me over here, there's another rim that was also painted and clear coated. This rim was done in its entirety. It had curb rash in various spots. It had lots of nicks and little chips in different places. And so we repaired this by preparing the surface with a scuff pad. We added an adhesion promoter. We painted it, clear coated it. And as you look on the camera there, you can see the integrity of the rim is really a nice condition. It looks practically like a new rim. The only difference between these and powder coating rims is that only this top surface, including this one, is what's repaired. Back here on the other side of the rim, that's still the original surface. And we don't do that in this type of a repair. And as I mentioned before, the paint and clear coat is not quite as durable. It will last, but it's not quite as durable as a powder coated finish. And it is our most inexpensive repair if money in your budget is something that you want to consider. So anyway, I just wanted to share these two videos with you to show you the quality and what can be done with a rim. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at rimslikenew.com, and we'll be happy to answer any further questions. Thank you for listening.